Hi, this is Dr. Ilya Skolnikoff from Triad of Health Family Healing Center here in San Rafael. We're doing our Triad of Health video series. Today we're talking about salad. And okay, so if you have, no matter what's going on with your health, you should almost always be able to have plenty of good green leafy vegetables. So some people, like these two people, come here. Some people, like these two, those guys, I'm not saying these are good or bad people, that's not the point. Just sometimes people are a little sensitive to like vinegar and things that are fermented, like cheese and that kind of thing. So this salad contains the salad dressing, which has olive oil,
garlic,
and parsley,
and also
salt, Himalayan
Italian seasoning.
What kind of salt?
Sea salt.
We decided to use a really nice sea salt from the French Riviera called Eden sea salt. Actually, I'm not sure if it's from the French Riviera or not, but it's hand-harvested French Celtic sea salt. It may not be from the French Riviera, but I think it is. And we use a little bit of organic Italian seasoning. Everything is organic, right, Amorcita?
Yes.
Morena? Yeah. Obviously, they call her Amorcita Morena because she's morena, she's brown. Okay, I'm Amorcito Blanco, even though I call myself Dr. Ilya. That's at home. I have different names. Okay, and then we put in what I call lovingly and affectionately, with lots of enthusiasm, I call this aguas con cates. Aguas con cates. It's actually avocado, and there is no such word as aguas con cates. I just made it up, but anyway, you've seen avocados before. So we put in some of that, and then we put in some onion and some celery. And some baby spinach. Okay. So what's the nutritional benefit? So basically, you need a good protein source. I'm going to be honest with you. And this is not really it. But here we're going to be able to massage the colon. We're going to be able to allow for a huge amount of mucinase and different kinds of substances that massage the mucosa of mainly the colon, not so much the small intestine or the rest of the digestive tract. But this also is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin E. It has quite a bit of beta carotene, and there's a lot of fiber, so this helps to combat things like heart disease. It helps with balancing blood sugar. For people who are trying to lose weight, not that you're one of those people, but maybe you are, maybe you're not. If you want to lose weight, salad is not the oil so much, but the lettuce itself, all that fiber helps to release poisons and toxins from the body. So it is a very cleansing thing to eat. But this isn't the only thing we eat around here. I'm just showing you one of many things to eat. We're having future videos on cooking for you, but everything's organic and a reasonable price.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, the spinach, we just decided we are going to go to Costco. We're not necessarily backing every part about Costco. We're just trying to help our patients and the people who come to our office to seek help with their health. And getting organic food inexpensively can sometimes be challenging. At Costco, this costs about $3. Almost everywhere else, it's about $5 or $5.50. So, a couple of dollars here and there can spread fast. And if you have a family of, let's say, 3 or 4 people, you're gonna, these will last you a couple weeks, and they won't go bad during those couple weeks. So I think that's good, right? That's pretty good. You're only spending $6 for a couple weeks. Your organic onions, they cost a lot more if you go to, let's say, Whole Foods or wherever you're going, or Safeway or something like that. The lettuce itself is, this was like a big bag of about 7 lettuces or something like that.
It was like $5.
Six lettuces. Yeah, and it wasn't really that cheap. It's $4.50. We get a little bit of money back at the end of the year when they give us a percentage of the amount we spent back, because it's the way Costco does things. And then the cucumbers were about $3.50 or something like that. So they cost maybe half as much as if we were to go somewhere else. And they're organic too. So you put in your olive oil, that's organic, and it's extra virgin olive oil. We just walk around outside sometimes and we pick up a little bit of rosemary, and that was free, and then we can put a couple of little bits of that in our salad if we're feeling creative like an artist. If you are an artist, this is especially fun. I went to art school, by the way. Okay, I graduated from UCLA with a degree in art, and then I decided to study the sciences, and that was interesting. So I'm kind of like, chiropractic is both an art and a science. Okay, a lot of the things I'm doing in the office are very creative, even though they're also very left-brained. All right, so rosemary's already in the Italian seasoning. Is there anything else? Oh, and then we have garlic, right? So we have this amazing organic garlic that we get. We're paying extra for it. The best place, of course, to buy any of these vegetables is at if you live in this area, is at the farmer's market. But anyway, whatever area you're living in, they're gonna have a farmer's market, and you can get really good quality, inexpensive organic food there. So yeah, get a healthy colon. By the way, a lot of people in the United States have trouble with their colon. So, it's not a bad idea to do whatever it takes to make your colon happy and healthy, and this helps. And when you release poisons and toxins from the body properly, that's also going to improve the health of your gallbladder and your liver and the kidneys, and really appreciate that. And it helps with the white of the eyes. It improves the vision. Garlic is antifungal, antibacterial, anti-parasitic, and antiviral, and it's antisocial. Yeah, so you may not have as many friends if you eat a lot of the garlic, but you can always try cooking it or something so that people don't notice as much. And yeah, so you could do that. So what do you think? Are you going to start eating some lettuce every now and then? Are you going to try it out? Looks good, huh? Wait. Oh, un momentito, por favor.